Schoology tips and tricks. Trick number 28, beautiful badges. Badges are something that are built into Schoology that we don't see very many people dabbling in. We often create badges for workshops and award them to workshop participants. And maybe you didn't even know that you've earned a badge in the past if you have been taking our asynchronous workshops for a while. But they are something that you can create for your students. There are some pre-made ones from Schoology that you can use, but there's also ways to create these in Canva. If you are interested in that option, you can reach out to your instructional technology coach, and we're happy to show you how to create some custom badges in Canva if you aren't sure where to get started. But I want to show you like a very simple area where you can go to make badges for your students. So on the left-hand side here, you're going to click on badges and you will see some Schoology badges that you could just add as options for your class. So maybe we want to add good listener, perfect attendance, leadership, most improved. And I'm going to add these as options for my students. So now I have a column for each of my students where I can award a badge. So I can give Darren perfect attendance and I can give Landon most improved. But what does that even mean? Where are they going to see these? If I now click on my student and I see their Schoology information, I can see their badges over here. So students can see these themselves. They can see them for classmates if they click on a classmate, and they can find out what that badge is for and who gave it to them and when. You can also create custom badges within Schoology. So if I come back to my badges area and I come up here to add badges, I'm going to create a new badge. So I can title this, I can put a message with it, I can add an image. So this is where you would want to have some pre-made badges, maybe a pre-made badge from Canva, for example. Let's see what it does with this CASD. It's not bad. It's not perfect because it was not the perfect sized template for this. And then once you have your image in here, you can decide, is this going to be a circle, this like burst, or a star? So if I go with the burst, I can choose a different color, and that's what my badge would look like. And once I hit submit, now I have that as an option that I can award that badge to different members of my course. Under the drop down here, I can also award to all members. I can revoke them. I can save it to my resources. If I've created it in one course that meets on a white day and I want to copy it to a course that meets on a green day, if I teach here at the high school, I can copy it to another course as well. Again, they're just fun little things that maybe your students will take some pride in getting these badges, and when they go to their own profile, they will see all of the badges that they have earned, and they can look and see where these came from. So if you've never done that, you might click up here on your name, go down to profile, and see what kind of badges are living there for you from some of your instructional technology coaches from workshops that you have completed in the past.